everybody, Artistic Flare here, back with another speed art video. Today I will be drawing Pinkfong. Let's begin. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a like. It lets me know you like content like this. I would love to give a shout out to FoxGalah. Thank you for suggesting this week's video. And if you guys want to see one of your recommendations in a future speed art video, let me know in the comments section, and who knows, one of them just might show up in a future speed art video. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing over to the channel and get notified on any upcoming content. As always, stay creative!